Now you can see that the files are installed. It took 3 hours 20 minutes, but again, like earlier in the first attempt, it got stuck here generating install device list. I'm not sure whether this installation will get successful fully, or I need to start with other uncheck or check options, or need to see some dependencies. So till then, in this part 2, I will explore what is in the what extraction file of 110.85 GB. So those who want to see what is in the extraction file, you can see this is the extracted folder, and it's all the Windows executable files along with two shell scripting files. We have the bin folder here. Again, we are having a shell scripting and the DOS executable. These are basically then again the Windows 64 only. The object files are there. All the DLL files are here. So these are the third party also mentioned here in the data. In the library files, again the Linux and the Windows 64. In the Linux we can see different flavors are there: Red Hat SoC, Ubuntu, and in the payload we can see again the .NET and the Pita Linux also, because the Pita Linux, if I am going to install or download directly from the AMD, it's also of the size 3.2 GB only. Okay, so the lab solutions must be also here. Okay, so the lab solutions must be also here. So and then in the scripts, the TPS, again the boost, we have seen the option there. We are having an accumulators algorithms. Let's see what is there in the algorithm is there. It's in the C++ written. All it's in the C++. Let's see what's all in the algorithm. Search algorithms. The searching is this. String is there. The min-max is also given here. So this is in the folder of an Xilinx Unified. Now I give you the tour of the tools folder where till here it has been installed the 3 hours 20 minutes. What it has all installed in the tools. If I see in the Xilinx, we have the .NET, Model Composer, Shared Data, Vitis, HLS, Vivado, and XIC. So one user has from element 14 already said whether it contains an enterprise payable or a free license or some coupon is given there. That will be checked on after the complete installation only, because here it's showing that the ML edition includes the standard and the enterprise, and during one installation nothing was such as the license key to be added here. Okay, so if I see the model composer was meant for the MATLAB and the Simulink toolbox, I just check it whether it has or not. So we can see there is a Simulink folder here already. Okay, so these are all the again the Linux files. I am basically concerned with the Simulink here, so because it's meant for the Simulink, these are just the library files and the object files that are there. So let's go in the Simulink only. Yeah, so we see there are MATLAB files here. There again the Pascal code file source files here. And if I just see, there must be some .slx must be also there because it's a Simulink. Somewhere it must be there. Yeah, we can see one utilities, and the composer is the direct Simulink. It can be opened directly with the Simulink. And what is in it, it will be only known when I will open it. because it's a copyright notice. Again, see the sampling is there. Yeah, DSP is also there. Data signal processing. We are having again the Pascal and the MATLAB codes here. And if we see the HLS, again the basic maths and the utilities, what block diagrams and what exactly the model or the project is there, or just a library is there, that would be known once it's connected with the Simulink. So this is the again, and again here we have see the files, again the MATLAB and the Pascal. So the model composer is clear. The Vitis, I go in the Vitis. Once I go in the Vitis, again we have the AI tools. Again we see that we are having a Linux here, and the base platform. We can see these are the base platforms: common technology, autopilot, OpenCL, CPU.h. So the system compiler of the examples is here, include is here. We have the target folder of an x86 and the ARC32 Linux. Again the E++ headers and the C headers are there. It must be also contain the free RTOS or some P spice. I just need to check it out and just show you on the tour only whether it has or not. In the doc we can see we have just shared the files here in the document. These are document files basically. Vitis, Jupyter. We see the Jupyter would be needed in the PYQ and Python productivity for the Zinc platform. So the Python packages is also what Python packages are there. We can see the Python packages. Even the IPython is here. Jupyter is here. The pandas are there. So the Jupyter is everything is there. Matplotlib inline is there for the Python. Okay. So these are all these would be explored during the 2 months. So I would be making the videos, but here it's again stuck is here only. I need to check it out what is exactly the problem happening. So it's TCL scripting. TCL scripting is here. Linux we are having a Java folder here, Java and the JRE. I already have an OpenJRE installed here. So we are having now Vitis HLS. Again, if I go into the internal of the TCL encoder, there is only an encoder executable file, and this is a bin folder. This is including files here. So in the Vivado, let's see what's all is here, because it must be having somewhere free RTOS files and the ultrascale files. So I have not seen the ultrascale folder till yet here, and it must be also be because the board is there, so there must be some spy simulation link and some circuit files must be there somewhere. I am just searching it and just show you. I am pausing the video till then. So from the last pause of the recording, you can see it's still stuck there only. I will wait for some hours only. And as in my last pause, before the last pause, I said that I am looking for the free RTOS and if some PSpice files are there, I found it out here. We can see we are having a Zinc A53. This is CMake files, free RTOS here A53 because the Cortex A53 and R5 also. Ultra 96 V2 that I will properly explore when I will have the board and the proper installation. But it's here what I was looking for. The FreeRTOS is again the third party. They have mentioned the BSP FreeRTOS, and in the software services also they have given the FreeRTOS is here. Okay, so FreeRTOS is there, and even the ultra scale is here. Otherwise, it's in the Zinc 7. As far as my current exploration has given told us. This is the driver API documentation also installed offline here with the data structures, and the APIs are here mentioned all there. Okay. So the last thing, yeah, these were the files. Ultra scale plus the ultra scale, the PSpice simulation. This is basically derived from the data is basically derived from the spice simulation. And what I was looking for, whether there is some kind of like PSpice simulation is done in the like in the Altium also. So yeah, it's there. It's kind of PSpice simulation only. It's kind of even the sub circuit is mentioned is here. Okay, I'm just exploring it. Yes, sub circuit for level 1. This is level 1. 2, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, so the data they have mentioned they are derived from the PSpice simulation only. So maybe we can connect it with the PSpice software like already MATLAB, and the Simulink connectivity is there. Okay, so the last is again the FreeRTOS kernel mentioned. We can see the header file is also there. So it's complete package there. So there must be mutex, EMMA ports, everything would be there, and all this would be explored during the 2 months. Right now I am just stopping the video because it may take again some hours. If I fail in this installation, my next video would be part 3 or the revise that I will install after unchecking or some installing the Ubuntu dependencies, because it was even mentioned by some user also of element 14 that Ubuntu 18 is there and 22 needs some extra. Maybe I need to check it out after the failure of the installation. Thanks.